Mia and the Little Bird. Mia is a small girl. She is 7 years old. She lives in a small house with a big garden. She lives with her mother and her father. Mia loves animals very much. She loves cats. She loves dogs. But most of all, Mia loves birds. Every morning Mia goes to the garden. She looks at the flowers. She listens to the birds. The birds sing in the trees. Mia loves the birds. She loves their happy songs. She tries to sing like them, but she cannot sing like a bird. One sunny day, Mia goes to the garden. She hears a small sound. It is a sad sound. It is not a happy bird song. Mia stops. She listens again. The sad sound comes again. Mia looks around the garden. She looks under the trees. She looks behind the flowers. She looks in the green grass. Then she sees it. A little bird is on the grass. The little bird is brown and yellow. It has a small wing. The wing is hurt. The bird cannot fly. The bird is very scared. "Oh, little bird," Mia says softly, "do not be scared. I want to help you." Mia runs to her house. "Mama, Mama," she calls. "Come quick. A little bird is hurt. Can we help it?" Her mother smiles. "Yes, Mia. We can help the little bird. Come, let's go to the garden." Mia and her mother go to the garden. Mia's mother looks at the bird. "The wing is hurt," she says. "We can help it get better, but it will take time." They make a small bed for the bird. They use a small box. They put soft cloth in the box. They give the bird water in a tiny cup. They give the bird small seeds. Mia names the bird Sunny. "Because you are yellow like the sun," she says. Every day, Mia takes care of Sunny. She gives Sunny fresh water. She gives Sunny new seeds. She talks to Sunny. She sings to Sunny. "Good morning, Sunny," she says every morning. "How are you today?" Sunny looks at Mia with small black eyes. At first, Sunny is scared. But day after day, Sunny is not scared. Sunny knows Mia is kind. Sunny knows Mia is a good friend. Days go by. 1 week goes by. 2 weeks go by. The hurt wing gets better. Slowly, slowly, Sunny gets strong. Sunny can move the wing. Sunny can hop in the box. Sunny can eat many seeds. One day, Mia's father comes to see Sunny. "Look, Mia," he says. "Sunny is much better now. Soon Sunny can fly again." Mia is happy, but Mia is also a little sad. "If Sunny can fly," Mia says, "will Sunny go away?" Her father sits down next to her. "Yes, Mia. Birds need to fly. Birds need to be free. It is the right thing for Sunny. It is the kind thing." Mia thinks about this for a long time. She loves Sunny very much. She does not want Sunny to go, but she knows her father is right. Birds need to fly. Birds need to be free. The next morning, Mia goes to the garden. She takes the box with Sunny. The sun is bright. The sky is blue. It is a beautiful day. "Sunny," Mia says, "today you can fly. Today you can be free." Mia opens the box. Sunny looks at Mia. Sunny looks at the big blue sky. Sunny hops out of the box. Sunny stands on the green grass. Then Sunny opens both wings. The wings are strong now. Sunny flaps the wings 1 time, 2 times, 3 times. Sunny goes up into the air. Sunny flies. "Goodbye, Sunny," Mia calls. "Goodbye, my friend. Be safe." Sunny flies up, up, up into the blue sky. Sunny flies to the tall trees. Then Sunny is gone. Mia stands in the garden. She has tears in her eyes, but she is also smiling. Sunny is free now. Sunny is happy. That is the most important thing in the world. Mia goes back into the house. She puts away the small box. She puts away the tiny cup. She feels a little bit sad. The garden feels quiet without Sunny. That night, Mia cannot sleep. She thinks about Sunny. Is Sunny safe? Is Sunny warm? Is Sunny happy? She hopes Sunny is okay. The next morning, Mia wakes up early. She hears something. It is a bird song. It is a happy bird song. The song is right outside her window. Mia jumps out of bed. She runs to the window. She looks out into the garden. There, on a small tree branch, is Sunny. Sunny is back. "Sunny!" Mia calls. "You came back! You came back to see me!" Sunny sings a happy song. Sunny looks at Mia with small black eyes. Then Sunny flies away again into the blue sky. But the next day, Sunny comes back. And the next day too. Every morning, Sunny visits Mia. Every morning, Sunny sings a happy song outside her window. Mia is very happy. Sunny is free. Sunny can fly far away. But Sunny is still her friend. Sunny still comes home. "Good morning, Sunny," Mia says every morning. "I am so happy to see you." And Sunny sings, "Good morning, Mia. I am happy to see you too." Mia learns something very important. When you love someone, you let them be free. And true friends will always come back to you. The summer goes by, then the fall, then the cold winter. Sunny flies far away in the winter. But in the spring, Sunny always comes back to Mia's garden. Now every spring, Sunny comes to Mia's garden. Sometimes Sunny brings other birds. Sometimes Sunny brings baby birds. The garden is full of happy songs. Mia is older now. She is a big girl. But she still remembers the day she found a little hurt bird. She still remembers the day Sunny flew away. And she still remembers the day Sunny came back. It is a beautiful story. It is a story about kindness. It is a story about friendship. It is a story about love. And it is a true story. Because in Mia's garden, the birds still sing every morning. And Mia still smiles every time she hears them sing.